These are our... How old are they, Mom?
3 weeks.
These are our 3-week-old kittens. Aren't they cute?
Oh.
Oh, he's chasing.
Trying to show them how to eat real food.
Yeah, I'm trying to feed them.
So they can go to the frickin' pet store.
They're not going to the pet store, Mom. This is my buddy Runt. Say hi, Runt. Say hi. Here's my favorite one.
Come on, eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
Oh, hi. Hi, Joel.
Normally Tom eats, but you gotta probably put some in their mouth and though.
This one's not. This one's like chowing down.
They are so cute.
There's only one that knows what to do.
My buddy has a deformed tail.
It has
very short
hardly
tail.
no tail.
Almost none.
This one.
There. Look at him, he's like crawling all over the food. He doesn't know what to do.
Oh, jeez.
That one's going to get a good bath from Mom.
Yep. Mom's gonna love it.
I don't know, he wants... Hey!
Where are you going?
Watch his jaw good.
Where are you going? These are our kittens. We've got 8. We got 2 litters within like 1 week.
Not even. No.
Yes, about within 1 week. Both of them had their kittens.
Within a day, Bill.
No, 2. We hit within a week. Aren't they cute? Oh my gosh. We got 4 black ones and 4 gray ones.
And they were born the same day. Swishy twist up.